Do you love the pool? Huh? Get it. Really gonna miss her this time. She was so good to us throughout like all of quarantine. We haven't left her since.
I know. We're getting a quick tour of the house that we'll be staying at. This is really cool.
We're Brittany and Drew, and after exploring the world by van for the past 7 years, we've started to set our sights on some new horizons. Last time, we took you along for the ride as we contemplated making some big changes. And in this episode, we actually end up making some very exciting moves towards one of them. We invite you all to take in a deep breath and let it out. And now it's time to enjoy the show.
You good boy? Do you love the pool? Huh? Yes, he does.
At this point, it's less than 48 hours until we have to catch our flights to an undisclosed location. We still haven't shared with you guys where we're going yet, but what we have to do now is prepare Spirit to be left behind so that when we return, she is all clean and ready to hit the road. We've also been cleaning out the lair that we've been living in at Drew's parents' house here. You come bearing the Instapot?
One Instapot.
I wanted to show you something. This. It's our collection of all of our national park pamphlets from this year.
Should we take these in for safekeeping?
I think so. I don't know.
Yosemite.
These might be like historical collector's items one day.
At least to us.
Yeah, to us. Yeah, so many great places.
I think we could pair each one of these with the episode we did on YouTube this year.
We also took out all the food. So now we can clean out all those crumbs. Never seen the pantry so empty. All right, now we can vacuum you out.
Gotta clean the toys.
Can I just say, this little nozzle is the best, most handy van cleaning item ever. Ready for this? I don't think I've ever seen underneath our futon so empty. But now, I can finally vacuum out some of those rogue oatmeal kernels. Know what I just remembered? The oven tray. Ooh, that could get pretty nasty. Do you ever smell that smelly smell only to realize that that smelliness is coming from you? Then it sounds like you could benefit from the sponsor of today's episode, and that's Native Deodorants, which are all aluminum-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free, meaning that they don't give me a rash like I used to get from the other stuff. They're also cruelty-free and vegan and are not sticky, and their scents last all day. Our first love may always be their coconut vanilla, but they recently teamed up with LA-based lifestyle brand called Jungalow, and they made some of the most exotic flavors that will transport you to new lands without ever needing to leave your house. Right now, we're really loving the tangerine and citrus blossom and the paradise flower and amber. Normally, 3 deodorants cost $36, but by using our link and our code below, you can get 3 deodorants for 24 bucks. That's 33% off. You don't want to miss it. They smell really good. Now, where were we? And this is how you mop your floor in about 2 minutes with 2 paper towels.
All right, I said 1 and 2. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, here we go. All right, come on, take the old way home.
Look at that. Not even that dirty. And it only took 1 minute and 45 seconds. House cleaning is done. I don't know how Drew and I will ever deal with having a bigger house to clean.
Giving the pea jug one last good rinse.
One good last sterilization.
Along with giving Spirit her first deep clean in a really long while, spending time with family, and catching up on some important life things, to say that winter in Florida has been nice would be an understatement, with temperatures averaging about 75 degrees during the day and pastel sorbet sunsets galore to be enjoyed nearly every night. We were having a bit of a hard time leaving this sunny slice of paradise behind.
These duffel bags are so hard to keep organized. They're also the best kind of suitcase for van life.
Oh, packing, especially when you don't exactly know what you should be bringing. I got quite the mess going on. It's kind of an overwhelming, daunting task for me. The shuffle between the house, our van, and getting it all into a duffel bag. Almost complete. However, I'm a little concerned, how am I gonna fit 1 or 2 pairs of shoes in here? A lot of stuff left. And I can't forget an anniversary card. It will be 5 years that we've been married while we are away on this trip.
Look at these gentlemen working so hard.
So efficiently.
Thank you guys so much.
Thanks to Dad for helping us.
Yeah, thanks Dad.
Sent 2 vans and a truck today.
My goodness. Well, it's a nice day for it.
It is a beautiful day.
Get it.
Get it. Better come out quick, you're gonna get soaked.
Just trying to remember.
He's coming around the corner with the power wash.
No.
Quick,
Okay,
quick, quick.
I'm out.
Little last minute sprucing up a Spirit, giving her a good bath while she sits in storage.
Having a little bit of separation anxiety. We haven't left Spirit in
I know,
a
it's
long time.
been a while. Oh, we're getting wet. I don't even know how to pack a suitcase anymore. We love you, Spirit. You'll be clean soon.
Hiking boots and sweaters, it's a hard thing to pack for.
All kinds of climate changes.
This is what we got going on in here. Donations, packing things, shoes we gotta figure out, duffel bags. Louie, oh Louie, we're gonna miss you too. Yeah, he knows we're packing, don't ya? Don't ya, buddy? Oh, we'll come back, don't worry. It's moments like this where I wish we could just fold Spirit up into like a little Mary Poppins bag and bring her along with, but I think this will be just what we need to be reinvigorated for van life when we come back. We're trying to build up the suspense. Can you tell?
Okay, so this is the kitchen area. So let me show you, this is sort of the area that I love spending time in.
We're getting a quick tour of the house that we'll be staying at, so we know all the ins and outs.
Every other Wednesday, the gardener will come and he will take care of business. So you don't have to worry about that. So here's your closet. Everything is emptied for you. Probably more space than you've had in a lifetime.
Yeah.
Then you decide to go camping overnight or whatever, you can use these, okay?
Thank you, that's perfect.
Yeah, that'll be
That's
perfect
very
for that.
helpful.
The good thing is, yeah, it doesn't get beat out.
No, and that's the biggest thing that I'm always concerned about.
All right,
You know,
this is
black.
Spirit's new shady home for the next little while. We're gonna miss you, Van.
I'm gonna miss you.
Gonna miss you a
It's all
lot.
tucked in, safe and sound, guarded by our family.
Really gonna miss her this time. She was so good to us throughout like all of quarantine. We haven't left her since.
I know.
We'll be back though. We'll be back.
I think we're both having a little van FOMO right now. We're having a hard time just stepping away from the whole situation.
Fear of missing Van. Got like foam.
Foam. All right. Well, we're off.
Starting our journey from the west coast of Florida, we set up a meeting spot in the middle of the state, where our parents could swap us out since our flights had us taking off from the east coast.
Is it gonna fit?
I don't know.
Get in there. Yeah, it'll work.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Adios.
Don't bite, Louie.
Bye.
Hi, Drew.
Thanks for picking
Hi,
us
Brittany.
up.
You're welcome.
We'd like to go 1 hour east on the interstate and then head north and have a night stay. So if you can arrange for that, that'd be swell.
It'll be my pleasure to work that out for you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
A tip will be included at the end of the ride.
Okay, perfect. We don't accept gratuities, though.
Oh, only hugs.
Only hugs.
With one more sunset behind us, it was time for one chapter to end and another to begin.
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, all quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
So much better to have a nice neck pillow.
All right, welcome aboard, everybody. Welcome aboard Spirit Airlines, flight number 3836. We're going to Oakland today. Thank you for showing up, being here on time, filling up our airplane. We appreciate you, we really do. We should be able to get out of here ahead of schedule and arrive ahead of schedule as well. So we're doing real well, thanks for that.
Sunflowers, high grass, and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to you. there's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
Well, we made it. We're waiting for our Uber, and let me tell you, it is definitely not the same temperature as where we were before.
It's a very different climate.
But it's a new chapter. We needed a little bit of a change.
We gotta go.
Ah, okay.
Got rides here.
We're here. Babe, we have a house.
We have a new house.
And you're carrying all the bags.
We've arrived.
Oh, it smells really good in here.
It does.
Like food.
This is cozy.
We even got a little welcome package. Please call before attempting lattes. Babe, there's lattes.
There's lattes. One other tidbit about us is we can't help but feel settled. So we've been in the house for about 15 minutes and our bags are already totally unpacked, stored. Jackets are in the closet downstairs, along with our shoes, our bathroom and toiletries are all put away in their associated drawers, and that's how we roll.
It's literally like we've been living here for years already. We're definitely not in Florida anymore.
We are not in Kansas anymore, Toto.
But it's kind of nice. Rain lets you like reset. And maybe have pizza.
Pizza night.
Stay tuned for our next episode where we reveal where exactly we are and what we're doing here.